talking to each other.
I want to
Oh, crab!
die.
Turtle! The shark just took the starfish away. He's going to eat him. Can you help him?
Okay, we will.
Okay. Shark's got the starfish.
Ah! This is a scary puppet show.
Oh, oh no. I'm going to starve to death.
We got you, please.
At the end, they saved him.
Now it's not the end.
What's going to happen now? They got to help the shark because the shark's he can't eat anything now. Are they going to help the shark? Are they going to give him something to eat so he doesn't have to eat the starfish?
He can eat fish.
Just regular fish? Okay.
Fish.
I love the red fish. Alright, that's the end of the show. You want to do our bows? You got a bow? Bow. Okay.
Bow.
Everybody bow.
Bow.
Like this.
Bow.